The company Sete Cachoeiras Estate Coffee was built upon the concept of modern coffee enterprise and is ready to offer regularly great volumes of high-standard quality coffee in order to assure the excellency of its products and committed to environmental and social valorization policies. Sete Cachoeiras Estate Coffee has been certified by Rainforest Alliance as well as UTZ certified since 2004. Location: located in the south of Minas Gerais state, Sete Cachoeiras Estate Coffee is settled in a qualified coffee growing region. Characterized by rainy summers and dry winters, the mountain climate region has favorable features for the production of excellent coffee. Present production is grown in 600 hectares with over 2 million coffee trees out of a total area of 1,370 hectares. The region, privileged for its geographical location, is strategically set among the country's main ports, with qualified labor availability, smooth topography, great hydro resource availability, and fertile soil. Tradition: Sete Cachoeiras Estate Coffee, whose headquarters was built back in the 1930s, is a coffee growing pioneer in the city of Três Pontas. Coffee activities outlived generations and went through great changes, so as to become a model of management and sustainable production. Under new management since 1994, its coffee estate has been renewed and its production process carefully modernized. Moreover, focusing on product quality, the company has expanded and strengthened its commercial partnerships. Sustainability actions. Our coffee has high standards of environmental, social, and economic sustainability. Native forests, as well as reforested areas, occupy 50% of the area destined to coffee cultivation and 20% of the company's total area. In search of technical counseling to develop its celery and native foresting policy, the group established a partnership with the SOS Mata Atlântica organization, having built ecological corridors and helped diversify local fauna and flora. Sete Cachoeiras Estate Coffee is strongly committed to the local community and has made its water sources available to Três Pontas, Minas Gerais, and the city's 70,000 dwellers, monitoring quality all along the way. Differentiated production. Ahead of its time, the company has implemented new concepts and technologies, quality guarantee, and minimization of environmental impact, having invested in the treatment and reutilization of cherry coffee peeling process residual water. It holds rigorous control of its production traceability as well as of the sensorial quality of the coffee beverage. In order to guarantee regularity associated to quality, Sete Cachoeiras Estate Coffee uses cutting-edge irrigation technology, enabling application efficiency, economical water use, as well as cost reduction. With the advent of irrigation and available technological innovations, it is possible to guarantee more uniform and regular crops. Such events, associated with harvest and post-harvest careful procedures, guarantee regular offer of great volumes of high-standard quality coffee. Social strengthening. Working for Group Sete Cachoeiras Estate Coffee means having access to labor benefits, security equipment, regular use of uniforms, innovative technologies, and professional qualification. Employees and families are entitled to medical, dental, pharmaceutical, and laboratorial plans. Disease prevention, tabagism, nutrition, and sexual education policies are guaranteed by the Health for All program. Science incentive. Sete Cachoeiras State Coffee keeps partnerships with renowned institutions such as the Agronomic Institute of Campinas, IAC, Embrapa Café, Pro Café Foundation, Ministry of Agriculture, Cattle Raising and Supply, and the Federal University of Lavras, UFLA. With differentiated treatment, demonstrative units are destined to the assessment of cultivated varieties and management techniques. Sete Cachoeiras State Coffee is regarded as a demonstrative unit and an example of sustainable management. International recognition. Sete Cachoeiras Farm participate in the documentary Just Coffee, an initiative of Consumers International in partnership with the Brazilian Consumer Defense Institute, IDEC, and the Agronomic Institute of Campinas' Alcides Carvalho Coffee Center. This project has been seen in 5 different continents and has the support of over 230 consumer organizations represented by Consumers International in 113 countries. Sete Cachoeiras State Coffee, state-of-the-art coffee production.